it's Hannah from the Magic for Less Travel, and I'm here to show you how to make a Disney countdown paper chain. Making a countdown paper chain is a super great way to get excited for your upcoming Disney vacation. And this craft is so simple you can do it with the whole family. There's going to be two templates we'll be using today. One will be our rectangle template that we're going to use 3 times, one for red, one for yellow, and one for white. And each time we use this template, we're going to have 4 strips of paper. And then with our other template, which is our Mickey rectangle, we're going to just do that template once because we need just one black colored Mickey rectangle. Now, whenever we do that, you can use a die cutting machine like a Cricut or a Silhouette, or if you don't have any die cutting machines, that's a-okay. You can print out the template on a colored sheet of printer paper and then cut out each of these templates using scissors. Now I have all my supplies in front of me, so it's time to get started on my paper chain. I'm going to take one of the Mickey black rectangle bands first. Put a little glue on each end. And press it together to make it into a circle. Then take one of my red rectangles, a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to put it through my black Mickey paper chain. Take a yellow strip of paper, a little bit of glue on each side. Oh, gotta stick it through the rest of your paper chain. Otherwise, you're just gonna have a whole bunch of circles. And finally, my white strip. Through the yellow, press it so it stays all together, and there we go. We have Mickey's head, red for his shorts, yellow for his shoes, and white for his gloves. And you can do this 4 more times with the supplies I have, just going in order: black, red, yellow, white, and cut out as many extra pages as you need for as many days until your Disney vacation. One of the Mickey head template for every 3 different colored rectangle pages. You're going to get 4 per page, and then just keep going until you're ready for your Disney vacation countdown. All right, friends, I hope you were able to do that as quick and easy as I was. If you have any questions or if you want to show us your awesome Mickey paper chain, please don't hesitate to let us know. Bye, friends.